Halo, welcome to Learn Indonesian with Maria. In this channel, I will share you how to learn Indonesian in easy way. And our today's topic is about the differentiation between gang versus geng. Gang is alley or narrow road between houses or building. For example, Dimas menyewa rumah kecil di gang itu. Dimas rents a small house in that alley. And then gang. Gang means gang or a group of young people who spend time together. For example, Tami dan gengnya memakai baju kembaran kemarin. Tami and her gang wore the same clothes yesterday. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please hit the button like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye, sampai jumpa.